everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. We're having a great day. It's pretty nice here in BC. I hope everybody's staying safe. And today I have a unbagging, but I'm not sure if this is another one of my missing satchels from about 4 months ago, or if it's something else. It shouldn't be flat, but it feels like handles, so let's go ahead and see what it is. Got my blade. Alright, let's see what we got here. Huh. I'm afraid to cut into it. I don't know what it might be. Alright, let's see what I got here. Yeah, because it's like a zip dooney, but it shouldn't be flat. Alright, let's see here. Okay. And I'm still rocking my Fendi Spy Bag Aspen. I'm going to probably switch this one out, probably closer to the weekend. I like to do about every 2 weeks is good. Alright. It's flat. And if you'd be so kind, when I hit 500, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so make sure you subscribe and ring the bell and comment. And if you have any other requests that you'd like to see, please leave them in the comments below. Is always appreciated. Alright, almost there. Okay. Dust bag, I think. Huh. This is not a dooney. There's nothing on the placard. Okay, that's weird. Okay, yeah, these aren't leather. I waited all this time for this bag, and it's not a real one. Alright, well that's disappointing. That's why it was flat, because these bags are not flat. So I guess this is just another example of buyer beware. Alright, so this one's definitely going back, because this isn't even nothing. It's not anything that I want in my collection. But I might as well show it to you. But yeah, that's kind of a fail. And it's been like over 4 months. No. Alright, well that's my failed unboxing. Alright, so yeah, it's not even, all this here is supposed to be leather. It's not leather. This isn't leather. This isn't a dooney. Yeah, they shouldn't be advertising as a dooney when it's not really a dooney. Okay, like I said, buyer beware. Alright, well that's too bad. But anyway, so you get to see what a non-Dooney looks like anyways. Yeah, it's not even like a good one. Yeah, that's too bad. Alright, so I'll be getting the return label and shipping that back. But that's why it was folded, because you can't, with a real Dooney bag, you cannot fold it like this. Look, you cannot do that. Because it's like a structured satchel bag, and you cannot fold it like this. And this is not the dust bag that comes with it. Alright, well, that's just another lesson learned, I guess. Alright, well that's too bad. Alright, do you guys ever order anything and it's they totally lied about the listing? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. And I hope you have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.